Hello and welcome to Tech 18. I'm Adnan, and in this video, we are going to talk about what is enhanced conversation with Copilot in Microsoft Fabric. This is new introduced one from Power BI, from Microsoft, which is in preview. But I just want to highlight a few things here. This is especially for useful for the people, those who are working on data engineering and data science, and also those who are using AI skills in the data warehouse. Now, the thing is, they are actually storing the chat prompts and history to improve the relevancy and accuracy of Copilot conversations. Now, you may think about, is it safe to do these things? But let's first look into the benefits out of it, and then we'll talk about that. It actually improved the accuracy of the responses because it understands your history and how you are asking the questions. So it can give the reliable answers. Overall, it is enhancing the user experience. And also, it efficiency improve of the Copilot chat here. And if you are leveraging cross-geo data storage, like you are in India and you want to store this, Copilot is going to access it via either US or Europe. Basically, it has to go US itself outside of US. And user can experience significant improvement in inline chat functionality within the AI skill, which is going to come soon. But in generally, for the Copilot in Notebook for data engineers and data science, now they can use this capability to have this clear understanding about that. Like if you have any question, they can ask directly in the chat, and it can give the detailed explanation of the error, possible causes, and also it can give the suggestions based out of it. Because it has a history of the conversation, it can understand your things better manner. And also the context knowledge retention. So it can better understand the project overall and the user preference, how the user actually needing to. It's leading to a smoother interaction. And we can also recall the discussion, what has happened and the previous thing. But most importantly, now this is the worry part for me. And thankfully, Microsoft has clarified this. So user can delete this context history at any time, ensuring their control over their data. And last but not least, this conversational history is not used by Microsoft for training models or for any other purposes. So we can be have worry free about this particular point. They have clearly mentioned on the blog post which they have mentioned on this here. If you are satisfied with this thing, now let's move into how we can enable this functionality. It's just about you need to turn this on functionality in the tenant setting. But if you are in the EU and United States, then this feature is going to be enabled by default. But if you're outside of EU and United States region, like I'm from India, then I need to enable this feature in the tenant setting. It is going to be disabled by default. I need to enable this functionality, then only it's going to work. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel this feature is going to help. Whether this is the risky one to enable this or is an easy one to help the user to have a much better understanding and do the work faster manner. I'm looking for your thoughts on this comment section. Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure to turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.